take a show of full. It's been a long time in coming.
Oh yeah.
This project, and we're so glad to get it off the ground. We want to thank all the people who have contributed to the fundraising effort, and will continue to, but especially FAM Funds and the Carlinian Foundation, and the many other individuals who have given very generously to the River Center to help us start this addition project. We're all here to celebrate that, and thank you so much for coming and being a part of this.
This is a great opportunity for the Schoharie River Center to expand. Their building is going to be great and have, you know, all the accoutrements of a bathroom and new heating system and stuff we've needed for a long while to expand our opportunities here of helping support children and the environment.